Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how to calculate some operations on numerical data. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about conditions in Python. So, before that, take a look at this program. So, we have two variables defined here, name and age. Okay, so I'm taking the input from the user. So, what is his name and what is his input? Okay, and after that I'm printing hello, whatever the name that we're going to enter, and welcome to the bar. Okay, so we're going to write a bar program over here. So let's run this program. So it is asking for the name. Let me give the name and the age. Okay, whatever the age you can give. So now it is printing hello Fuse and welcome to the bar. Okay, so now assume that the bar has decided to allow or say hello only the people who are 21 years old or more. That means now we have a condition, the age should be 21 or more, then only we should welcome those people into the bar. Okay, so now I want to add the condition. How can we add the conditions? In Python we use if for doing such things. Okay, so let's do that. If, okay, if what, if age, okay, age is greater than or equal to 21, okay, then only we want to welcome those people into our bar. Otherwise we should not be welcoming them. Okay, so this is how you can write the condition if age is equal to greater than or equal to 21, and then after that we need to give the colon. Okay, and the whatever the code that you want to execute when this condition is true, that has to be under this. So let me move this code one block away. Yeah, and similarly this line as well, like this. Okay, now what we can display, let's run this program first and then discuss more about this one. Okay, so let me save this guy and run this. It is asking for the name. I will give name. Oh, let's say something like what is your age? We give 23. So now it is saying hello, so on and so forth. Let me rerun this program again. This time I will give less age. Okay, let's say something like some name over here and then age as like 12. Nothing has been displayed. Okay, so that means only when the age is greater than or equal to 21, then only we are printing the values. So what if age is less than 21, what, let's say something you want to display, sorry, you are not allowed, we can do that as well here. So for that we can have else here. Else what you want to show, sorry, not allowed. Okay, so let's save this one and rerun this program. This time I will use this and age as like 15, sorry, not allowed. Got it? So let us go back to the program and discuss more about it, exactly how it is working. So we use if and else in Python for conditional execution of the code. So if is a condition, and here you have your condition basically in the parentheses. Okay, so whatever the condition that you want to have it, you can put it there. Make sense? So similarly, let's say something like you are writing a different program. So in that program you have a different criteria that condition should go over here. So if that condition is true, what you want to show, that has to come under this one. If you carefully notice here, there should be a one tab gap between the if and the code that you want to execute when this condition is true. Okay, this is called block of code. Okay, I hope you understand this, guys. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.